If you'd like to see this gorgeous home at 82 Coolidge Street in New Britain, give us a call at 860-618-6233. Come on in and check out this gorgeous home. This is 82 Coolidge Street in New Britain. It is gorgeous and it is under $300,000. It is a steal with 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. It is gorgeous and in impeccable condition. This is the home for you. It is beautiful, freshly painted, nice, all your appliances will stay. This is a great kitchen. It's open to dining space with a bay window. It has vaulted ceilings, palladium windows, and it leads to what they're utilizing as an office, but it could be a sunroom or playroom. So it really is a unique house with tons of character and tons of sunshine. You don't want to miss this one.